Click on anywhere in the design. At the top, click on Ask Canva. Here you can ask Canva to generate text, make an image, or give design advice. So in this particular example, I'm going to ask Canva to give me a title for this presentation. And I can make it even more specific by saying this is about traveling to Bali. I'm going to submit the comment. And so it's going to come with a few titles. So if I like any of these titles here, I can add it to my design or copy it. So I like the second title, so I can just add this to my design. I can also ask Canva to give me an image. So I can just prompt Canva to make an image of a young couple traveling to visit Bali. And if I like this image, I can add it to my design, or I can further improve my prompt to give it the exact image that I want for this presentation. So that's how you can work with Canva in tandem to make your presentation even better. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.